What if your business could bypass traffic, eliminate emission costs, and secure up to £2,500 in clean air funding all at once? It was fantastic connecting with visionaries at the ZEN Expo this week, where leaders across the capital explored how commercial cargo e-bikes are completely redefining urban delivery. If your business is based in Tower Hamlets, Hackney, Westminster, Newham, or the City of London, you could be eligible for one of 24 workplace travel grants worth up to £2,500 towards a commercial cargo bike. Applications phasing out older petrol or diesel vehicles are highly encouraged. A four-wheel CityQ cargo bike provides full weather protection, exceptional payload capacity, and total stability, maximizing your daily delivery speed while bringing operating costs right down. Funding is limited. To check your compatibility and lock in your grant before the available allocation is complete, email us or register your interest with the network today.